The Galaxy S10 phones won't be only Samsung handsets to feature an Infinity O display. That's a screen with a camera hole at the top. We have known for weeks that the Galaxy A8s will be the first Samsung handset to have the novel all-screen notchless design, and the phone is finally here. Didn't get too excited just yet, as the phone is not available for sale at this time. Samsung unveiled the new A-series phone in China, CyboTech reports, and it's unclear whether the handset will be available in other international countries. However, we do know the specs of the handset, and we finally have official Galaxy A8s pictures and the videos for you. The screen measures 6.4 inches and it's a full HD plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The camera hole near the top left corner is pretty significant, but it's smaller than a notch. Well-known Samsung leaker Ice Universe posted the hands-on images of the phone that shows the camera hole in great detail. On the bottom, there's a minor bezels, and the sides are not curved. The Galaxy S10 is expected to feature curved edges and even similar bezels. The phone features a Snapdragon 710 processor, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage, and a triple lens camera on the back with 24 megapixels, 5 megapixels, and 10 megapixel lenses. On the back, there's also a fingerprint sensor. Comparatively, the Galaxy S10 premium version should have a fingerprint sensor built right into the screen. Finally, the Galaxy A8s doesn't feature a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is actually surprising for a Samsung phone. The new Galaxy A8s will be available in blue, green, and silver variants. The pre-orders will be available online at Samsung's China store. Huawei is also expected to launch a phone with a similar design in the coming days, and Lenovo has also developed Infinity O-like screen design for new phones. Recent leaks have shown. So yeah, that's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.